Hello guys, I am Fabian. Today I'll be showing you step by step on how to create a Facebook page. And remember, in order to create a Facebook page, you need a Facebook account because Facebook only monetizes Facebook page. Facebook doesn't monetize Facebook account. So in order to make money online today with Facebook, you need a Facebook page. And remember, to monetize, you need to have 10,000 Facebook page followers and 600,000 watch hours. So today I'll be showing you how to create Facebook page, and in my next video I'll be showing you how you can gain 10,000 followers and 600,000 watch hours very fast and get monetization. Today the easiest way to make money online is through social media, and if you are a youth today, you are not into one or two social media platforms that you can make money from there, you are really wasting something. You are waiting something out there. And the best and easy social media platform to start making money with it nowadays is Facebook, especially for beginners. Is Facebook. There are thousands of social media platforms out there that you can start making money from there, but for beginners, if it's your first time on social media, you can start making money first with Facebook. So let us dive into my system, into my dashboard. I'll show you how to create a Facebook account, a Facebook page, step by step. Very easy, very easy. Alright guys, now we are into my dashboard. So in order to create a Facebook page, now you on your desktop, on your right hand corner of your desktop, you click on the menu where you have the three lines. You click on the menu bar and you go down. You have like create a post, create a Zoom, create live video, create a page, create an app, create a group. You take create a page. If you don't have an account yet, just go over and create an account, because you cannot have a page without a Facebook account. So I click on create a page. So now this is the display of the page. You start by naming your page. My name is NJOH Fabian. NJOH Fabian. I will say NJOH Media, because I'm into social media. I will say NJOH Media. And category, you can put what best describe your page. If you're into comedy, you can put comedy. If you're an artist, a star, you can put whatever. So when you type, it will give you recommendation. For me, I can say actor, let me say comedian for the sake of this video only. Comedian. You see, you have many options. If you are into restaurant, you type restaurant whatsoever. If you are into fashion, you type, it's good to give you recommendation. You just pick from there. So I take this one for the sake of this video only. Now you say description. This one is not that important for now, but it's better you describe your business, or better know from your description. So you can write like a little one paragraph in your description in order to describe your page, especially for those who are into business. If your page is for business, is very important. You put your descriptions. So now I say create page. Now look alike, because I have a page with this name. So there is a page that exists already with the name Media Tech. I will say NJOH Media Tech. Yeah, like that. Okay, come down. It looks like you already managed a page named NJOH Media. Okay, recommendation. Voila. Now create a page. Okay guys, one page cannot have the same name. I had the error before because my original page is in NJOH Media. So now in order to differentiate, I want to create, because I'm creating this page just for the sake of this video. So I have to change and add this Media Tech. So the page has been created. I click on save. Blah 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 while it's loading. Alright. So now you are interacting as NJOH Media Tech. So now we have to customize our page now. see NJOH Media Tech, the page has been created. Move forward by uploading your profile picture. It can be your logo if you are a businessman. It can be the logo of your business. Oh, you see, this is it now. We don't have any picture there yet. So I come here on this camera below. The camera below. Just click and profile picture is going to take you to your storage memory where you are going to upload your picture or your logo. Blah 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 blah. All right, you see, upload picture. What can I put as this profile? Okay, I like this one. Just put this one for the sake of this video. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Loading. Okay. All right. Yes, guys, we are done. Now you have to do the positioning of the photo in the center. That is how it's going to appear on your page. Now you click on save. And remember, please, this method is only on the system. In mobile phones will be different. I'm going to make a video on how to create a business page on mobile phones. This one is only on your laptop or desktop. So now you can go ahead and create your cover picture. Here again, on this button, create edit, and you click. It's going to take you have here choose from photos, create slideshow. You have upload. You should take upload. Now this one for your cover picture is good. You put your description, what best describes you. You can go on to Canva, download Canva. You create a Facebook cover there where it's going to carry your name, your logo, your business location, and what you are doing. Be your best describe you. For me, that is the best. I'm going to make a video on how to use Canva. Canva is a very good tool for those who are on social media. Take open. This one, I just put that picture only for the sake of this video. Okay, loading. Wow, I'm here. Loading. While it's loading, we go ahead. You can add your button. That is what you want people to do. You want people to take an action, right, on your page. What you want people to do? You want people to like your page. You want people to follow your page. You like people to watch your videos. You like people to shop. If you are selling items on your Facebook page, you want people to buy your items, or you want people to direct. You want to direct people to your website, like to send traffic to your website. That is a function of this button. You have here add button. Button is you are going to touch a button. For me, I like to touch followers. I to touch follow. Loading. Yeah, it's taking much time. Okay, I shouldn't waste much of your time, but just understand what this button is all about. If you want more followers, you just click on that button. It's going to take you there. You choose followers, or you choose paste like. See, it has been created already. So now come over here. Now first of all, save changes. Yeah. Okay, everything has been saved. And what again? The page is done. Now, in order to start making money on this page, you need 10,000 followers and 600,000 watch hours. 600,000 watch hours, guys. It's not a daily bread, but I'm going to show you method on how you can get 6,000 watch hours. So now you have your page settings. Here's your page settings. You can customize the page the way you want on your page settings. Here is it. The page is published. Everyone can see, anyone can publish to this page. You can like edit. Only you can publish, because they can put some contents. People can put some contents that can restrict. Facebook can restrict your page. So this is good. You always customize this page here. Just read all of them carefully, and try to edit the ones that best suit you. And here you have your page rule. Therefore you can add somebody that can manage your page. Here you can add an editor. You can add an editor or a content creator or anything. There are many options there. So you have here editor, you have admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, and analytics. Advertiser, somebody is just running ads for you, Facebook ads for you. It's an advertiser. You can add all those people here, but their rules are limited. Only you can take the major action on the page, like changing the password, blah blah blah, like that. So come back again over to the dashboard here. Instagram. This is where you can connect your Instagram, link your Instagram to this Facebook, and you know now, because Facebook is being owned by Instagram is being owned by Facebook. Instagram is being owned by Facebook. Here you can link your Instagram to your Facebook. With the next video, I'm going to show you how to link a Facebook account with Instagram together. And here's your WhatsApp. You can also show you how to link a WhatsApp with Facebook altogether. If you are interested in knowing that, just drop in the comment section below, and I'll show you how to link all of them. But our main video today is how to create a Facebook page, how to set up your payment. You set your payments when you already reach 10,000 followers and 600,000 watch hours. Now you have to set your payment to start receiving payment. This is where you set your payment. When you reach that level, also just drop a comment section, a comment below. I'm going to make a video how you can set your payments on Facebook. Now is you have your page tablets. This one also is very important. Page tablets is going to describe who you are. If you are like a comedian, a businessman, it's going to set you apart. Setting this tab is very important, because based on this tab, Facebook is going to determine the type of followers to send to you. You see, my current tablet here is let me see, choose a tablet with default button and tabs. Voila. So if I am say current tablet standard, so I don't want standard, because I want to like public figure. I like public figure, and the button for public figure is for the like and follow button. If it's for a business, a shop, a restaurant, you'll be shop now. If like for a website, to build a website, like you want to drive traffic to your website, that one also will be traffic. So everything is being set based on the tablet that you choose. It's for like people like musicians, comedians, blah blah blah. All those people, they always like to take public figure. So this is it. We are all done and set. Our page is published. What again? Payment, blah blah blah. Everything is done. So now let's head over now. And the main reason I'm making this video is because when I was about to create my own page, I browsed through several videos on YouTube, sorry. I couldn't find a video with how to create a Facebook page in English. So that is why I decided to make this video. So if you're interested in the video, if you have learned something about this video, please try to drop a comment below. And if you want to learn anything about social media, how to make money online, just drop it on the comment section below. I'm going to make a video about that. Okay, so that is it, guys. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified each time I drop a video like this. And please don't forget to share this video and invite comment. Anything you need to know about social media, how to make money online, just drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to make a video about that. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.